Hello. Okay, we got a couple of things here. I'm trying to do things quickly though, so let's not worry about as much stuff as I can right now, because tomorrow's Monday anyway. Alright, September 4th. That's the day. Sunday. Yes. Okay, it's after 9. It's after 8. If Wisp was to be here... Okay, Wisp is here. Great. Confirmed. Little ghost buddy is floating around. I've already checked all my characters today. I've checked the Able Sisters. Here's our little bottle. What we got in here? Gold bars. Cool. Who was crafting earlier? Zucker, I believe, was crafting. I think it was Zucker when I checked everyone else. But that was like within the last 3 hours, so I don't think he's doing anything. We got junk there. No good. Okay, this could be it. This could be the moment. This could be the moment. I doubt it, but it could be. Okay, so we're just gonna fly our way over it. Like I said, I'm saving time today. I'll deal with stuff tomorrow. I'll do a morning stream. I know I said I wouldn't really be doing Monday morning streams, but it's a holiday, so like whatever. Yeah, I had to sneeze, don't mind me. Anyway, yeah, so I got a bag. We got a bag from a friend. The last delivery bag, the pink one. So that's with me right now. And somehow, which it's happened to me before, but the recycling bin in the last week on my friend's island had 3 things. 2 sloppy sofas and a nearly busted radio, which I haven't even actually got one of. So those will be on the way soon, which is exciting. But I got one of the sofas, and I got the bag, and then the other stuff I'll get at some point this week. Maybe tomorrow, maybe it'll be in, I don't know, probably, hopefully tomorrow, we'll see. I'm feeling it. I was feeling wrong, though. There's nothing there that I need. I was really hoping we'd get the last one, and then I would get, you know, I'd win big from Wisp. That's what I've been hoping for secretly for ages, but I don't know when that's gonna happen. But as a precaution, I flew here first to check before dealing with Wisp, because the last thing I need would be, you know, for Wisp to give me something, and then, you know, for me to not... What am I even saying? You know, like, imagine I get something from Wisp, and, like, there's 2 things, and then one of that, the thing that I get, is just waiting for me. Of course, the sofa's the first one I look at. I'll deal with all this stuff tomorrow, like I said. I'm just gonna deal with the... There you go. Oh, look, there's all 6. There's the pink one. Great. Just want to deal with that now. Well, it's easy. I will deal with the sofa tomorrow because I'll be at Harps anyways. Makes sense. Also, maybe I don't even need to deal with the sofa. Which one do I need? Beige. Actually, I think beige is the one that I was given, so maybe I don't even need to customize that one. Or maybe I customize one tomorrow, and then when I get the other beige one, because as far as I'm aware, every island has the same variant in the bin always, so that means I should have 2 beige ones on the way, and if I customize the one tomorrow, then everything's hunky-dory. I have 3 sofas at the moment, which means I'll have 5. I only have 1 table. I have 4 sinks, And we have 2 bags. Not great, but, you know, it's something. Okay. I just need to quickly deal with this, and then I will give it a rest. But yeah, that's it. I'm trying to be very quick today. I would have stopped on the DLC island tonight otherwise, but Wisp is here, so I feel obligated to deal with this. I did check for him last night, as far as I can remember. It's been a very busy week, so my days are starting to blend a little. So I'm pretty confident that I did it, but not 100%. So yeah, we're just gonna hopefully find these things without too much trouble. I have not seen a single one yet, which is concerning to say the least. Yeah, maybe I'll do a little bit of cleanup tomorrow. Clean up my inventory. Bury some of those gyroids. I kind of cleaned up some of the stuff that I'd like left out for my second character to store. Did pick up some of those yesterday. I think that was yesterday. On that same note, I should go ahead. I know I said I wasn't dealing with things, but sure. Okay, Zucker's outside, which means someone else might actually be crafting right now, which is annoying because I didn't want to have to check. But now I'm like, I might have to do it. I feel like Zucker was the one crafting, right? I'm confused, to be completely honest here. Maybe it was 3 hours ago. Okay, I don't know. I just am gonna try to get these fragments, and then I'll go from there. This is taking way longer than I thought it would, which is unfortunate. It's funny that, like, dealing with Wisp is, like, the majority of my stream. Present there, but I don't really care. I'm sorry, what? Yo, hello? Get back here! This is insane. This is insane. Wow, I'm being trolled. Okay. Still need one more. You know, I always like to say that when I really have to work for it, I get something. Like, whenever I caught a scallop on the first sea creature of the night, I would always be like, ah, that's a pearl. Not getting anything new. And then it would be. And then if I was really struggling, then and only then it would be something good. Alright, let's see what happens here. Big moment of truth. Let's have something good. Man, not like this. Get something expensive. Clockwork Tub, I think that is actually expensive-ish. I'll take it, sure. What the heck. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it now. It's already been 10 minutes, which is more than what I wanted it to be. But that's fine, whatever. Didn't get anything from Wisp, which is lame. But today I went on earlier, checked on my characters, didn't get anything new. I did get some turnips to craft tomorrow from a friend's island. I got some things from the bin, this sofa, and got this from Harv's. So got another Kicks item down. That takes us down to 37 total, meaning 4 of those are not bags. That's 33 bags that I need. Great. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna clean up this, deal some stuff on the ground. I'll probably get some more stuff in the mail. Hopefully tomorrow, maybe another day. But I'll customize this, craft all that stuff, and we'll check to see what we get from Harvest. But it'll be getting probably mid to late morning stream. We'll see what happens, and I'll take it from there.